Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can does your Vivo smartphone have split screen feature or not. Let's check in this video. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then here it in the search, just tap on here and here you have to write split screen and you can see yes friends, it has split screen. You have to just see the preview and you have to just swipe up like this. And split screen does not support the settings app, so you can open like this and open any of this. And friends, you can see you can just open the Play Store, swipe up, and then you have to open any of other app, and you have to split screen only involves, I can show you, and you can see two apps are working in the split screen mode. This is how you can enable it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.